Like this ball next to you again? Yeah, okay, that's fine. So if I turn this one on, so I can spot a little flat place. If I put this one on the floor, if I put that one on the floor, can you light that one up? Thank you. Can you light them both up? Thank you so much. Can everyone see? Okay, can you stop it, please? Okay. Am I talking to a little child spirit? Light them up for yes? Okay. Do you like that the vehicles have been moved in here? Does it give you something new to play with? Yeah. Guess it keeps it different for you, doesn't it?